Hey, what's up, Steven? Okay, so let's go over your website and I'm going to just answer your question with individual Loom videos, okay? So the first thing is I'm going to review the website that's updated and then give you tips on how to optimize, okay? So let's get started on that right now. So very clean looking website. I like the top here. I would put your privacy policy on your footer. Get rid of it on the top. FAQs is fine. Home is fine. You might want to have like an about us page. That's about it though, okay? It looks like you're using our copy. You've just redesigned it with different colors and stuff, so that's cool. Find the perfect apartment. Our local apartment data is more accurate than any public website. Let us help you find your next apartment home for free. Right, exactly what we provided. I would add somewhere here, click to get started if they need to move in within the next 60 days. That's like the biggest thing to display is that, you know, you can help them if they need to move in within the next 60 days, like tomorrow up until the next 60 days. Okay, let's come down. This looks good. Cool graphic there. I really like the design. It's really clean and it's not a lot of words everywhere, so that's really good. You're definitely paying attention to what we're teaching. Several 5-star reviews. Awesome. That's great. How it works. Perfect. Boom. I like this Zoom call. Really nice. And then it looks like you've condensed the video script. It looks like you're using the thumbnail. That's good. And then it's 46 seconds. That's perfect, man. Less than a minute is even better. So that's really cool. Let's see what you've done for this.
Had enough of the endless apartment hunt turning into a disappointing scavenger hunt? Don't worry, we've got this. We're not your average.
I wish you would have chosen another spokesperson and not used ours. But it's good, man. It looks good. Perfect. That's perfect. 100% free service. I like your design, man. Very nice. It's dynamically changing. 1,000 renders helped. Cool. Not a lot of words. We're dedicated to finding you the best deals. Okay. Find the best deal. Okay. So one thing is your grammar, dude. If none of the other words were capital, then this should be lowercase too. Okay. Free service. Like that's fine. Let's continue to go down, give you some more feedback. Very nice. Find the right place, find your space. So if these words aren't capitalized, the first letter, then make these lowercase as well, right? It just has to be uniform. I learned this from a 6-figure graphic designer. So that's important as well. Like your get started that's fine. The other thing, I like this arrow. That's really nice. The other thing you could do is you see this button right here. All of your buttons need to match. So if this button is this style, then you need to make this button the same style and the same width, the same everything. It has to be uniform, okay? So I would just choose one, right? So this, I like this better. I like shorter better. So put that up here, just right off to the left, okay? Don't have different buttons. It confuses people. Cool. Your Ives is here. The footer looks really good. I like the downtown view. This is a really awesome site, man. Let's click on it and see what happens. Cool, you got your type form built in the same way we walk you through. That's great. You've got a little intro, 49 seconds. Cool. Let's see what this says.
Hey there, ready to find your perfect apartment? Let's make it easy for you. Just take a moment to fill out a few questions below, tell us a bit about yourself and what you're looking for, and our apartment experts will handle the rest. We'll connect you with a local agent who knows the city like the back of their hand. At the end, you even have the option to book a call with them, no cost. Oh, and here's the cherry on top. Complete the questions below and show up for your call. For a limited time, we'll handle...
I see. So right now you've added what I suggested where you're talking about the NAL Connect where they set up the utilities for them for free, but really on the back end you earn more money. So that's good and this should help with your show up rate. Let's see how this one went.
Up for your call. For a limited time, we'll handle setting up all your utilities completely stress-free, aka complimentary. Yep, that's on us. Just complete the survey and show up for your call. That's really it. Everyone needs a home and you deserve a place of your own. Click the button below to begin.
Taking our coffee. That's cool, man. I know this actor too. She has a twin, right? And they look exactly alike. That's funny that you chose her. But anyhow, what I would do is you started talking about the concierge setup really briefly and like towards the end. I would put that to the front. So condense this video in half. It should be like 20 seconds long and then talk about the why they should start the survey like the first 3 seconds. So like watch how this starts.
Hey there, ready to find your perfect apartment? Let's make it easy for you.
That's okay. Hey there, ready to find your perfect apartment. That's fine. You don't even have to refund this video. Just edit it yourself. Like put this little portion here talking about for a limited time, we're going to set you up with concierge. I wish you would have expanded on that a little bit more and then put that in the front, right? Because at this point they've already saw the video. So you're already saying the same thing in the main landing page, but you want to tell them now why they should start and show up for their call. So I would just like only sell that. Does that make sense? Because you're doing like kind of like a general intro. And so the first part needs to be like why they should start and why it's a limited time only. So like the script would be like off the top of my head, I would have her say like, hey there, click the button to get started and check this out. For a limited time, we're going to set up all of your utilities for free. So you don't have to worry about that. And you're all ready to move in on your move-in date just for completing this survey and showing up for the call on time. That's what I would say like right off the bat. You know what I mean? And then you can tie in like the first 15 seconds, like in the back of the video, right? But that's what I would sell hard in this video. Like the point of this video here is to like get them to complete the survey and then actually show up on the call, right? They're really powerful. So if you do this whole video in like 20-25 seconds max, and the first thing I would say is, hey, all you got to do is click the button below to get started. And for a limited time only this month, just by completing the survey and showing up with your licensed apartment locator on time, we're going to set up all of your utilities, set up the internet, set up the gas. You can like really sell it. You know what I mean? Set up internet, set up gas, set up renter's insurance. We're going to make sure that you're taken care of. We'll handle that. Right. And so I would sell that on the front end just right away. Like tell them why they need to start the survey and why they should actually show up on time, right? And you could say like, this is usually a paid service, but we're covering it completely for free. And say like, so not only we're going to help you match with an apartment that works for you because we're licensed real estate agent experts, but we're also going to make sure to take care of all the utilities that you need to set up on time before you move in, totally for free this month if you complete the survey and show up to the appointment on time. Isn't that great? Right? That should be the only point that you sell right away. Okay. And so I would script that, use ChatGPT the way we teach you to like, you know, do a script easier. What I like to do a lot with ChatGPT is I like to like start a sentence and be like, you jump on ChatGPT and say something like, hey, I need a 20-second script on a promotion where we're setting up the utility concierge for our apartment locating clients if they book a call and show up on time. And you just put that prompt in the ChatGPT and then you can light edit it from there. But I would really sell that on the front end. Right? Like this is why you want to click the survey below and get started right now. Like we're licensed agents. Not only are we going to help you find an apartment for free, but this month for a limited time, we're going to make sure all the utilities are set up completely for free and then recommend you with, you know, a better phone plan if you need it, better cable if you need it, movers if you need it. And we're going to set all that up for free and make sure that your gas is connected, electricity is connected, internet's connected, everything is ready to go, including renter's insurance, which is typically a requirement, right? So I would just sell that hard. And then on the back end, you can use a lot of this video like towards the back end and say, hey, you know, get started, whatever. But the main goal here is just to sell why they should do the survey and then show up on time because you're going to get this additional service for free, right? That's what the message you want to come across right here. And that's going to help with your show up rates a lot, right? It's going to help people complete the survey as well. So hopefully that was helpful. Other than that, it's just little light changes on this website, man. Like make sure your grammar is correct. Don't like uppercase if the rest aren't. Either do everything uppercase or everything lowercase, right? I learned that from a graphic designer. The buttons should be exactly the same. Don't do different buttons, right? It's confusing. So match your buttons, move your privacy policy below on the footer. And what else can you do? I would swap these two sections here. Like this is fine, but on this section, move the reviews below this. Like this, how it works, this whole section here with the video needs to be higher up. So put this video section, swap it with the reviews. You know what I'm saying? Like boom, like that. Okay. Because people don't scroll down. Actually, more people stay above on the website. Okay. So that's about it. Let's make sure all your buttons are working. Yeah, they're working great. You're using our infrastructure. That's good. Good deal, man. Good deal. Yeah. So just swap these two sections, fix the grammar. For instance, if you're doing all uppercase first letters, then star needs to be uppercase as well, right? Fix the grammar because people see that and it's unconsciously, it's like, they're not really professional. They don't even know how to do grammar, right? So definitely fix these little changes as well. Other than that, you're good. Cool. Hopefully this was helpful. I'm going to do another video on what we do for follow-up, because you were asking about that as well. Okay, cool. Bye-bye.